Girl, mommy said yes to the hoops. Today was just like, I wanted glam. I had this look in mind, but I said, no, I want black and I want smoke. So this happened. Aloha eka ohana and welcome to today's video. I'm gonna show you how to do this eye look. This right here. I did a Instagram tutorial a few months ago where I did this exploding glitter liner in the inner corner. It's just my jam. It still is. I mean, I did it months ago, but this exploding shiny glittery inner corner, and I'm just here for it, and I love it so much. Obviously, I'm jittery over it. So we're gonna do this eye look today. I'm going to do a voiceover. I'm gonna test the waters and see how it works because of my air conditioner. It affects the audio very much. I mentioned in a few videos back that I wanted to switch up the audio a little bit for you guys. I figured if I did a voiceover, it might be a little bit better. I hope it's better. I'm trying to improve every single day. I hope you enjoy the makeup look. It is a bit more dramatic than the tutorial that I did on Instagram a few months ago. And no, it actually started with a purple eye look that I did. I don't know, I'll post it there. With the inner corner, I didn't learn it from anybody. I don't think I learned it from anybody. I just wanted to take it a little bit higher. And I fell in love with it, something that I still do. I think I'll always do because it's just so flattering. And when it catches the light, it shines and it sparkles and it's so good. But then we still have like dramaticness going on with the liner and the outer corner and the lashes. The tutorial is for the makeup look on the eyes, and then stay tuned afterwards for the lip combination at the end. Let's get into the tutorial. Aloha everyone, and welcome to the first voiceover. So let's grab our pumpkin spice lattes and get into the glam. First, going in with this MAC powder blush. I don't know, any light brown shadow will do, and a fluffy brush. This one is from Morphe. Not gonna be perfect with this, just gonna use it as a transition shade. Gonna drag it down to the lower lash line and sippity sip, yes. And now the star of the show. Oh, star of the show. The glitter dust liner from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So good. I love the applicator on this. It makes for such good detail work. And you're gonna want to take this from the inner corner and about 3/4 of the way up, just above where your eye folds, just so you can see it peeking through. And then taking this Champagne Pop highlighter in the inner corner just to kind of help brighten up the eye and add to the explosion effect. Now going again with the powder blush, your light brown shadow, fluffy brush, just to deepen up that outer corner just a little bit more, just a bit. And then I take a little bit more precision brush just to drag that on the lower lash line. And then again, going back in with a fluffy brush, deepening. Ooh, Morphe x Jaclyn Hill. Going in with the precision brush and this deep brown color just to line the eyes, just to give that illusion. And then I go in with a liner brush just to do a little bit more detail work, just because I didn't want to use an actual liquid liner or anything. I just wanted to use shadow. And then I take it down the lower lash line and then blend it out with the detail brush, the precision brush, and then this is just a trick, you know, deepening and blending, deepening and blending, deepening, okay, and going back into that light brown shadow from time to time and blending it out and sippity sip. Mascara. See, this look is really quick. It's really not that dramatic, but it looks dramatic, but it's really nice and easy. Lower lash line, upper lash line, and then Ardell's lashes. These are drama, but they really pull the look together. And yes, I have heard your requests for a lash application video. I will do a more dedicated video to it in a later upload, of course. And by the way, that mascara is only $2.99 from Ulta, from Essence, and it's bomb. Oh, and then I go in one more time with the glitter liner just because the lashes kind of dimmed it down a little bit with it being as dramatic as it is. And then the ring light eyeshadow from the Morphe and James Charles palette just to add a little, if you know what I mean. And that's it. that's a completed look, ladies. Alright friends, this is it. I will share with you the lip combination like I promised. I went in with 4 different things. I think one of these liners were unnecessary, but for information purposes, the first thing I went in with was the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in Sugar Spice. It's still not my definition of nude. I try, it's too pink. Every possible nude lip liner and lipstick I think is nude is too pinky on me. I mean, it worked for this one only because of the gloss, which I will share in a few moments. And then the next lip liner is from Rimmel London Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner in 045 Epic. Almost the exact same color. So that's why I said one of these would work fine. I just thought that the second one that I went in, the Rimmel, would be a different tone, like more brown, but again, they're still too pink. And the lipstick I went in with was the Milani Color Statement Lipstick in 55 Bahama Beige. I mean, it honestly looks nude, but it's more of the pinky nude. I want a brown nude, but And then the thing that really brought it together, that kind of lightened the pinkiness out of the lip, was this gloss from NARS that I got in a little Christmas gift from my friend. This is the NARS Chelsea Girls. It's nude. This is nude. This is what I call nude. Every lip product that I pick up is either too pink or too mauve. This is definitely going to be a full-size purchase soon. But that's it for this tutorial, guys, and I hope you enjoy. Hau'olila Heleuī. I hope you all have a safe Halloween. I'm sorry that I couldn't deliver as much Halloween-y looks, you know, the face paint and all that kind of stuff. It's just not my avenue. It's not my jam. I will try in the future when I have a more realistic space, because everything that I have now is just kind of thrown all over the place. But there are thousands of amazing makeup artists who do the SFX and face paint and body, you know, all of that stuff. Go watch them. Desi Perkins. Don't. She's like the best. So I hope you enjoyed my little version of Heleuī. This is as Halloween for me as it's gonna get. Halloween glam. Heleuī glam. So guys, mahalo nui ke hui ana. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Working on getting 2 times a week, guys. Pray for me. Thank you for just being here. I will never stress it enough. You showing up to watch my videos every day is the biggest blessing I could ever ask for. And I just sometimes want to bang myself against the wall for allowing my fear keep me from doing what I know I was born to do. I stress it every single time in my videos that I'm thankful for you showing up and watching, making what I love to do worth every single second. I love you very, very much, because I'm doing this for you. I mean, in some way, shape, or form, wanting to help you kind of get out of the box that I think we've been trained to be in with makeup for the longest time, and that there's no boundaries with anything in life. And especially because we know that everything with God is possible. Period. I love you very much, and I will see you on my next video. Oh, and of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I upload, which is every Wednesdays at 11 a.m. PST, which is 8 a.m. here in Hawaii. If you do live in the islands, you know the drill. You know the drill. You know the drill. Love you. I'll see you later. Kuyo. Pumpkin spice season, baby. Great mercy me. Look at me, I get nervous. Oh my God. Oh, I love this so much.